Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to tweak the navigation bar on your Google sites? In this video, we will walk you throughout this process and steps of editing and customizing the navigation bar to improve your site's usability. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open sites.google.com. Go ahead and choose one of the templates that they have or start one from scratch. So let's go and start one that they have. So let's go and get a template from them and edit it. And then I'm gonna show you how to do one from scratch. So there we go. Now we have here the navigation bar, which is right here. The navigation bar will have two things, a logo and the navigation menu. So what we are going to focus on is basically the navigation bar, so it's going to be focusing both parts, the logo and the navigation menu. So first of all, let's go ahead and edit the logo. So here you can keep the logo as a text or change it to be a picture. For example, add logo, you can add here a brand logo, and just like that, I'm gonna go with logos, and here you'll find dozens of things that you can add as your logo. So for example, I can add Pinterest as my logo, and as you can see here, I'm gonna change it to be like that. I'm gonna remove the text so we can also only have the logo here, and that's pretty much it. So now we have added our logo. We can change the theme right here and try to change the font color to be red to match the theme of Pinterest a little bit. So let me just make it as red as possible. I'm gonna try to get the exact color by clicking F12 and basically gonna do this, get this color, and I'm just gonna copy it. Where's colors? Okay, this one. Just give me this color. I'm gonna copy this code and font style, color, paste it right here, and this color should be matching our basically it's gonna be matching our logo right here. So this is for the actual thing here. Now what else? What do we need to change? We need to change the navigation menu since it is a part of our navigation bar. So what I'm gonna do basically is to go ahead right here, and I'm gonna go to edit it. So I can edit it, I have to go to the actual pages, because the pages are gonna be added directly into our navigation menu. So let me start by deleting them. There we go, delete, and now I have nothing in here. Of course, the home page shouldn't be shown because I only have one page, so basically having the home page in the navigation menu wouldn't change anything. So yeah, now let's go ahead and add a new page. So let's go ahead and new menu section, let's add a new page, and it's gonna be basically called, for example, menu. And here we go, we have here menu, and as you can see, there is home and there is menu. Now you could have here this menu that has its own properties. If I went on it, you will find advanced, and as you can see here, there is the custom path. Well, the custom path is basically the link where you want this menu to take you to. For example, after I click on menu, I want them to take me to YouTube or something like that. Magic. Alright, so here I'm gonna add something else, such as, for example, drinks, food, and here I'm gonna find add drinks. So here, as you can see guys, this menu will have food and drinks. So what I did is I moved drinks and food and their menu, so I kind of dragged it into it, at the same time a little bit below it, so it can be added to the menu. Now what we have is a list of menus. So we have a list, a drop down list that works as a menu. So once I click on menu, we'll have two pages that I can go for, either food or drinks. You could do whatever thing you want within the menu. So it can do, for example, once you click on here, you will find new, for example, let's say that you are having a blog about news. So once you click on news, there will be a list of that contains, for example, like categories of news, like technology, medical news, I don't know what else, like sports, politics, etc. So you got the main idea. You can also choose that once you create a page, let's go ahead. I don't want that to be happening. Okay, let's just create it for now. New page. So here I can create, for example, test. Alright, I'm just testing. Okay, so here we have this test page. Now this test page, let's say that I just work on it, I don't really do anything in it, and I don't want people to actually see it. So what I can do is pretty simple. Go to the test page, right here click on the three dots and make sure to change it to hide, or click on hide from navigation. So once you click on this button, this page will not be available for people to see on the navigation bar or menu, and that's also will give you a point or boosting point that like you have a page where you can test anything, you can do whatever you want, and people still cannot see it. Or you can just make a page that is simply hidden, and where there is a button on your homepage, for example, that people after, for example, here reservations. So once people click on reservations, they're gonna be taken to the test page. So you can go here, edit button, and here add the link, and this link, for example, can be the test page link. So once they click on reservation, they're gonna be taken to this test page link where they are going to reserve something in your restaurant. So this is something that you could use this option for. And yeah, this pretty much it. You can also like change some pages to be your home page. For example, I want menu, so I can go here 3 points and make home page, and as you can see, home page has become the menu. So after clicking on the menu, I can have here like the home page, etc. You can also change a couple of things, like you can add sub page to some kind of menus directly. You can duplicate page, so you can keep the design and the outline of this page and just change the content of it if you don't want to. So this is all the things that you can edit in the navigation bar and in the navigation menu. And in case, guys, you would like to add your title name to the website, you can just click right here and you might be able to add it. So once you're done, click on publish and you will be good to go. So thank you guys a lot for watching. That was pretty much it. See you guys in the next tutorial.